Hey guys, my name is Deepa. I am the Business Development Manager at CoinW Crypto Exchange, and today I will show you how to create an account on CoinW Crypto Exchange. So let's get started. You need to first search the keyword CoinW on Google, then click on the website with the URL coinw.com, and now just click over here. That is the register button. Okay, now you can sign up either by using mobile or email. Here I am using the email ID. So yeah, let me type it out. Now let me enter my password, which need to be a strong one. Then you have to click on get code button, and then it will ask you to solve a puzzle or captcha. So let me solve it. There you go. Now you will get a code on your email address. Just paste it like I did it here. And now click on the agreement button and then click on register button. And that's it. That is how you create your account on CoinW. You will be getting few notifications, which you can either ignore or participate in them. You can also click on your profile icon to check out your CoinW UID, which will be required to participate in future contests. So yeah, that's pretty much from my end. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you a lot.